Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about the 18th century pioneers of Reformation. So, first is William Penn, the first leader to prescribe imprisonment as correctional treatment for major offenders. Is also responsible for the abolition of death penalty and torture as a form of punishment. So, si William Penn, pinawala niya yung death penalty at torture. So next is Charles Montesquieu, or how do you pronounce it? A French historian and philosopher who analyzed law as an expression of justice, believed that harsh punishment would weaken morality and that appealing to moral sentiments as a better means of preventing crime. So Voltaire believes that fear of shame was deterrent to crime. He fought the legality sanctioned practice of torture. So si Voltaire, ang idea niya is that ang pagpapahiya daw ay nakaka-stop ng crime. So, next is he fought the legality sanctioned practice of torture. So, one of the person na nagpa-stop ng pagpapunish sa mga prisoners gamit ang torture. So, Cesar Beccaria wrote an essay entitled uh, An Essay on Crimes and Punishment. This book became famous as the theoretical basis for great reforms in the field of criminal law. So, this book also provided a starting point of classical school of criminal law and criminology. Next is Jeremy Bentham, the greatest leader in reform of English criminal law, believes that whatever punishment designed to negate whatever pleasure or gain the criminal derives from crime, the crime rate would go down. So he devised the ultimate panopticon prison. So sa baba na picture niya is this is the panopticon. So here the guards will stay and the prisoners are over here. So the guards can easily watch every move or activities that the prisoners do. Pero hindi ito na nagawa because it is very expensive. So John Howard, the great prison reformer, single cells for sleeping, segregation of women, segregation of youth, provision of sanitation facilities, abolition of the fee system by which jailers obtained money from prisoners. So, ano yung ginawa ni John Howard? So, it means that so 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 sinegregate niya yung juvenile offenders, yung mga babae at mga lalaki because back in the day, iisa lang sila. So ngayon meron na sa Philippines, 'di ba, meron na tayong correctional institution for women na mga babae lang at sa DSWD yung mga bata. Next, si Alexander McConaughey, a penal colony superintendent at Norfolk Island in Australia, who introduced the mark system, like parole that gives beneficial liberty to prisoners. So, ano yung mark system? A progressive humane system in which prisoner is required to earn number of marks based on proper department, labor, and study in order to entitle him for ticket for leave or conditional release, which is similar to parole. So, if you have sa mark system, you will be released if ever you will gain marks. Like, for example, yung attitude mo is very good towards the guards or towards the jail officers and your co-prison. So, may ma-earn ka na mark. At saka yung kung nagpa-participate ka sa mga activities, ganon. So, Manuel Montesinos, the director of prisons in Valencia, Spain, who divided the number of prisoners into companies and appointed certain prisoners as petty officers in charge, allowed reduction of service due to good behavior. So, same lang sa mark system na reduce yung service of sentence mo if you have good behavior towards the jail officers or inside the prison. So Domets of France established an agricultural colony for delinquent boys in 1839 which provided foster fathers, patron house fathers as in charge to these young offenders. So, yung mga juvenile, yung mga bata, nilalagay dito upang madisiplina. So, madidisiplina sila ng mga foster fathers, yon. So, Evelyn Ruggles Bracey, director of English Prison, who opened the best reformatory institution for youthful offenders. So, dito sa Borstal Institution, yung mga lalaki age 16 to 21 na mga delinquent. So, considered as best reform institution for young offenders today. Next is Walter Crofton, director of the Irish prison system in 1835 that was modified from the Maconochie's mark system. So next is Zebulon Reed Brockway, Superintendent Director of Elmira Reformatory, New York, who adopted a grade system for prisoner, father of prison reform in America, also the forerunner of modern penology, introduced following innovation programs, so training school type, compulsory education for prisoners, so casework methods, extensive use of parole, and indeterminate sentence. Fred T. Wilkinson, the last warden of Alcatraz Prison. So, in this slide, you can see this is the Alcatraz Federal Penitentiary, which was operated during 1934 to 1963, a maximum security prison for the most dangerous criminals, known for its isolation, harsh conditions, and strict security. So, nahihirapan sila makatakas because it is surrounded by water. Di ba? So, hindi na siya nag-i-exist siya, pero hindi na siya nag-house ng mga prisoners because of the expensive costs. So, James Bennett, director of Federal Bureau of Prisons, who wrote about the closing of Alcatraz Prison. So, that is all. Thank you for listening and see you in another video.